Unanimity. Relative clauses 2. Clauses with and without. Who got which? A. Look at these example sentences from Unit 92. The woman who lives next door is a doctor, or the woman that lives. The woman lives next door. Who? The woman is the subject. Where is the cheese that was in the fridge? Or the cheese which was? The cheese was in the fridge. That. The cheese in the subject. You must use who, that, which when it is the subject of the relative clause. So you cannot say the woman lives next door, is a doctor, or where is the cheese was in the fridge. B. Sometimes who, that, which is the object of the verb. For example, the woman who I wanted to see was away on holiday. I wanted to see the woman who. The woman is the object. I is the subject. Have you found the keys that you lost? You lost the keys. That the keys is the object. You is the subject. When who, that, which is the object, you can leave it out. So you can say, the woman I wanted to see was away, or a woman who I wanted to see. Have you found the keys you lost, or the keys that you lost? The dress Lisa bought doesn't fit her very well, or the dress that Lisa bought. Is there anything I can do, or anything that I can do? Note that we say the keys you lost, not the keys you lost them. Note that we say the keys you lost, not the keys you lost them. The dress Lisa bought, not the dress Lisa bought it. C. Note the position of prepositions in to, for in relative clauses. Tom is talking to a woman. Do you know her? Do you know the woman who that Tom is talking to? I slept in a bed last night. It wasn't very comfortable. The bed that which I slept in last night wasn't very comfortable. Are these the books you were looking for? Are the books that which you were? The woman he fell in love with left him after a month, or the woman who got he. The man I was sitting next to on the plane talked all the time. The man that I was sitting next to knows that we say the books you were looking for, not the books you were looking for them. D. You cannot use what in sentences like these. See also Unit 92D. Everything that they said was true, not everything what they said. I gave her all the money that I had, not all the money what I had. What the king said. Did you hear what they said? The kings that they said. Unit 93, Exercises 93.1. In some of these sentences, you need who or that. Correct the sentences where necessary. The woman lives next door is a doctor. The woman who lives next door. Have you found the keys you lost? Okay. The people we met last night were very nice. Okay, the people who that we met is also correct. The people working the office are very nice. The people who work in the office. The people I work with are very nice. Okay, the people who that I work with is also correct. What have you done with the money I gave you? Okay, the money that which I gave you is also correct. What happened to the money was on the table? The money that which was on the table. What is the worst film you have ever seen? Okay, the worst film that which you have ever seen is also correct. What's the best thing that has ever happened to you? The best thing that which has ever happened to you. What do you say in these situations? Complete each sentence with the relative clause. Your friend lost some keys. You want to know if he has found them. You say, have you found the keys you lost? A friend is wearing the dress. You like it, you tell her. I like the dress you are wearing or that which you are wearing. A friend is going to see a film. You want to know the name of the film. You say, what's the name of the film you are going to see or that which you are going to see? You wanted to visit a museum. It was shut when you got there. You tell a friend. The museum we wanted to visit, or that which we wanted to visit, was shut when we got together. You invited some people to your party. Some of them couldn't come. You tell someone. Some of the people we invited to the party or home that we invited couldn't come. Your friend had to do some work. You want to know if she has finished. You say, have you finished the work you had to do or that which you had to do? You rented a car. It broke down after a few miles. You tell a friend. The car we rented or that which we rented broke down after a few miles. 93.3. Case sentences all have a relative clause with verification, put the words in the correct order. Did you find looking for you the books were? Did you find the book you were looking for? We couldn't go to. We invited to the wedding. We couldn't go to the wedding we were invited to. What's the name of the hotel about we told you? What's the name of the hotel you told me about? Unfortunately, I didn't get the job for. Unfortunately, I didn't get the job I applied for. Did you enjoy the correct concert you went? Did you enjoy the concert you went to? Gary's a good person to know. He's on, and I can convert you. Gary's a good person to know. He's somebody you can rely on. Who was the man were with you in the restaurant last night? Who was the man you were with in the restaurant last night? (93.4) Putting that are what were necessary if the sentence is already complete. Leave the space empty. I gave her all the money I had. All the money that I had is also correct. Did you hear that? What they said? Give their children everything that is also correct. Give and want. Tell me what you want and I'll try to get it for you. Why do you blame me for everything that goes wrong? I won't be able to do much, but I'll do what I can. I won't be able to do much, but I'll do the best that is also correct I can. I don't agree with what you have just said. I don't trust you. I don't believe anything that is also correct, he says.